Alright. Good evening, everybody. Or no one yet, but... Alright, the big thing tonight that I've been working on is been going through and trying to clean up some of the texture packing. So currently I've been using this texture packer and just packed all of our textures into one. And then the nice thing about it is it creates a nice little JSON file that has all these indexed. So as you can see, it selects whatever one you want, and so now I am working on integrating it into our app. Nice thing about Phaser is that it actually has load statements for the JSON hashes. So let's see what we have. So currently we have load screen. Obviously we can hear music. It's pretty loud. So here's a test of working with the new texture packer. So we have our load screen, scrolling backgrounds, ships, various things. These are old style buttons, which I'm going to be changing out with the new texture atlas stuff. And then we have all our tweenings set up and working. Let me refresh this. I have some nice new tweenings going between the screens now. So, next work is getting these arrow buttons working. But that'll be part of the texture map stuff. Alright. So We do know this works good for now. One thing I do want to try to do is go through and remove these dot pings. I don't think we need them in our key names. Oops. Let's try this. Shouldn't have any key collisions, so looks good so far. So what we're going to do here is we're going to take, originally I'm just throwing the rectangles, but I'm going to take those out and actually store the individual sprites this time. So let's remove these. So we're going to have normal sprite, our sprite, and click sprite. So this will most likely break a ton of stuff. So let's look at the keys. So let's comment this out. Alright, so anybody that's new joining in, basically we're working on a game that's on our website, and it's all going to be HTML5 using JavaScript and TypeScript. And then for our background multiplayer, it's going to be using SignalR with C#. So what I'm doing now is going through and changing out these sprites that and basically I have a hash that's in JSON that has basically all of the texture pack that I had shown earlier. So whatever this is loaded, this JSON is also loaded, giving me a nice atlas of what frame it is, how it is, whether it's trends, different source sizes, and stuff like that. So we just need to go, actually make sure that's 03 and stuff. So one issue we had earlier was that we have this JSON file sitting here for the texture atlas, and IIS doesn't like to push it unless it's in one of its basically corresponding MIME types. So you have to go through and actually add the IIS that you need to, that this is a valid type. And as you can see, Xeno is let's see what he has. So he just published is talking about this timer down here. I believe that is to ping time to our server.